Hello folks, Waz here from B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have an old Fiesta, young driver who's just passed. This had the standard Ford radio in there, which is that one there. We've now added the KENWOOD, and basically the advantage is he's a young lad, just started driving. Now he's got Waze and maps and telephone and everything with Apple CarPlay. He's going to now be able to abide by the new Wales speed limits and see where all the cameras are. So we've also got the steering wheel working, and then we've also added a KENWOOD camera to this, and then he's got rear for, so it's all good, nice little aids for a young driver. If something like this interests you, or you have a young driver that wants this, or you're just older and you want this, please get in touch with us. It's Waz at B&B Audio Concepts, and we're part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme, and then this unit has a 3-year warranty. So get in touch if interested, and thank you for watching.